So he will give here option for okay. You must put okay when you filling water. Okay? This first thing. Second thing, this is milk system. It's working directly with milk. Okay? So I will give you all information about milk system from cleaning and everything. So you must put good milk such as Mara'i, Juhayna, such as okay? And don't waste time in milk. Don't take it 2 days out of refrigeration. So because it's bulking, so with stuck milk system, okay? Yeah, it's good.
Yes,
it's good. When you finish milk, you can take it to refrigeration directly, okay? Yeah, because this is kitchen is heating. Yeah, it's good here. See, here. If you make this, no make this. No make this. You must make this. Okay? So, what is this? I will give you information about milk system. Maintenance every 3 days, 2 days for milk system. This steps for maintenance for milk system. Hardware parts. So, I will take it out. This. Take care from this. Okay? Take care. First part. Okay? Second part. Okay? Third part. Here. This part. Okay? See this?
Yes.
Okay? You must clean this part. Good. Yeah. When you finish, put it here and see this here. Yeah. See? It's finished. Okay? And this part. Okay? You must clean everything here. Okay?
Can we put it in washing?
No. No. Using normal water, not hot. Normal water. Okay? And butter. Every part if you.
No. No hot water. I mean.
No. It's normal water.
No boil water.
No. It's normal water. Okay? If you put any part incorrect, sorry, it will not going good. Okay. So if you make this such as this, see?
Yes.
So here, you must make this here. Okay? Then, but first, I will see this part. Every month, if you want to transport it and take it and clean, it's okay. So by a hard thing. It's
Tight.
But take care. It's a plastic part. No. 1 minute. It's a plastic part. Can be broke. Okay. We must make this maintenance. But I give you if you have any problem. Okay. So I will take this. Here. So you have error here. What is this part? See? Light.
Yes. Подсвечивает то место, где датчик показывает. Здесь
Yeah. Okay. Now we are working. So this is steam part. So this
this part we cleaned only the milk system.
Only milk system every 3 days, 4 days, every week. It's okay. It's hard work. It's hard work. Okay. So this steam, take care please.
Yes.
Here, it's no, it's okay. It's from here, okay? This is steam part. Okay? No. Okay? It's okay if you use, but it's for barista. It's but if you want to work, it's okay. Okay? This first thing. Second thing, in steaming, this one. What is this? This for ceramic cup, glass cup, Give me any cup. Any cup. No, it will mold.
I know, I'm trying to
Put here. Put here.
Это стакан мыть, что ли?
Press here.
А, согревать стакан.
Ну да, что-то нормально.
Press here. This one. And
Вы сейчас это
no. Make it uniform. Make it.
Значит, вот этот я могу согреть.
Yeah.
Вот.
Это для очистки, я так понимаю.
Для согрева. Чтобы горячий кофе был. Yes?
If
Чтобы hot coffee.
Not hot, it's about clean.
it's two things. To be hot when you put espresso, it will be hot to make good espresso, perfect espresso. Okay.
Горячий был.
So here, that's normal and cold cold cup. Okay? But when I make this,
Чтобы смотреть,
it will be hot. No, from inside.
А, ну да, там горячий, да.
Yeah. So this hardware parts. Okay. Everything you know now. So in the screen here we have first thing. It's small and one. Small and one. You can make three levels of cups. From here you have glass. This glass,
А, три типа чашек.
small, medium, large.
А, и большой.
So you have three average of cups, and you have 4 cups. If you have so fast order and you haven't time, so only give machine 2 cups here
ставим 2 чашки.
and make
А,
2
смотри.
and make espresso. So it will grind and press and down first espresso, then and it will make directly. Okay? So
Можно 2 чашки одновременно.
this
Надо вот сейчас смотреть.
first thing.
Вот так вот так
Okay?
поставишь.
Second thing, this temperature of machine. 90 and 138. 90 for espresso. It's okay. We will try everything, but I will give you guideline. Okay?
А, чуть позже.
Yeah. This for espresso, water for espresso, and this is for steaming here and milk system. Okay? It's normal.
Температура воды, температура пара.
If you have
Вставляете что тоже? Нет?
every day order and you have manager and the CEO and everything, you have here users. Users 1, 2, 3, 4.
Это что?
So now you can
Вы можете создать